Yeah. It's been days, it's been years, it's been weeks, it's been forever. All you see is black up in the streets, but we never see them once. I'm trying to figure where they live. All they do is thank God for the food He always gives. But for us blacks, all we do is get down on the knees, and then we thank God for the fact that always make sure that we breathe. All we do is just believe, always hoping for the better, just to think that God is gonna help us just because we're weak. Sometimes I feel like life is too much to take. We deal with money issues, death, pain and heartbreaks. But black child is always working hard with no breaks. But the question is, why can the black child be so great? Why can the black child lead the way? Why can the black child be the one that's not feeling all this pain? But maybe we were made to feel this pain. But all I know is there'll always be a better day for everything. I'm trying to put a weight up on my shoulder. I cannot be broke when I'm older. I just wanna be a soldier. I wanna hurt broken souls now. But sometimes I feel like I don't belong here. This is how I feel sometimes. Don't know what to think sometimes. Feeling like I blue sometimes. Don't know what I mean sometimes. This is how I feel sometimes. Black people are so good in playing all the parts. Just sometimes it gets hard, so freaking tough. But one thing that I know is that they work harder. But white people are more richer because they work smarter. Maybe black is only just a word. Maybe white people are just meant to rule the world. Maybe black people are just meant to be the worst. Maybe white people are just meant to have the worth. Enough about the maybes. All this depression we're going through is just affecting our ladies, and mostly hitting our babies. When they see black hustling, they thinking like they're crazy, and now they thinking like they out here acting and pretending like they know how it feels. Well, they don't know how it feels. I'm making this song just to tell a black child how to feel. One day you're gonna be okay. One day you're gonna be so great. Black child, one day we're gonna see you smile. One day you're gonna say I'm fine. Black child, one day you're gonna be okay. One day we're gonna see you great. Black child, one day we're about to see you smile. One day you're gonna say I'm fine.